Health benefits of mango fruit. Mango is a delicious and refreshing fruit, however. In addition to its delicious taste, mangoes have many health benefits. First of all, mangoes are rich in vitamin C, which is good for our immune system. One large mango contains almost 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C. In addition, mangoes also contain vitamin A, which is good for eye health. Vitamin A helps maintain the health of the retina of the eye and prevent vision problems such as nearsightedness and nearsightedness. Mango also contains a lot of fiber that is good for our digestive system. Fiber helps reduce the risk of constipation and maintain our intestinal health. In addition, mangoes also contain antioxidant compounds called C-carotenoids which help protect body cells from damage and premature aging. Finally, mangoes also contain natural enzymes that help digestion of protein in food. Therefore, mangoes are often used in cooking as a spice or sauce. So, there are some health benefits of mangoes. Besides its good taste, mangoes are also very good for our health. So, don't hesitate to enjoy mangoes as healthy snacks or foods for delicious and nutritious dishes.